almost 100 siblings are getting acquainted. Calling from inside their eggs, hatching their first plan. An olive ridley sea turtle, no bigger than your thumb, faces a huge challenge: to make it to the ocean. First, he must escape his underground nest. Alone, his chances of getting out are slim. But working together, the turtle hatchlings tunnel through over a foot of sand. Black vultures are gathering, and they're hungry. Now, the genius of the turtle's strategy becomes clear. Across this beach, thousands of nests have emerged. Up to 1 million olive ridley hatchlings can surface in a single day. Some of the largest gatherings of sea turtles on the planet. By hatching together, each turtle improves their chances of survival. And about 80% of hatchlings make it to the ocean. Working together, they've overcome their first great challenge in life.